What if your coding partner never slept, never got tired, and could explain documentation like a pro? In 2025, AI tools aren't just helping developers, they're supercharging them. Let's explore the top AI tools every coder needs to try this year. Let's start with the one that started it all, GitHub Copilot. Powered by OpenAI, Copilot writes code as you type, completing functions, suggesting logic, and even predicting entire code blocks. Cursor is a new code editor built with AI baked into the core. It's like VS Code but smarter. Ask questions, refactor code, and get inline explanations, all inside your IDE. CodeRabbit is your personal AI code reviewer. It gives real-time suggestions on your pull requests, helps maintain standards, and even integrates directly with GitHub. Tabin is designed to build real software from natural language prompts. Want a landing page, an app, or a script? Just describe it, and Tabin builds the base for you. Ever get lost in someone else's code? SourceGraph is an AI-powered search and explanation tool that helps you understand large code bases instantly. BTO AI goes a step further. It takes your product ideas and turns them into full architectural blueprints with suggested libraries, database choices, and even deployment tips. These AI tools won't replace developers, but they'll definitely replace slow development. Try them out, supercharge your workflow, and code like it's the future, because it is.